we would like to present new generation rotating lasers, Nivel System NL740 series. The series comprises two models, the NL740R with the red beam and the NL740G with the green beam. The equipment is designed for demanding clients. It is characterized by high accuracy of 0.72 mm per 10 meters, long range up to 700 meters. It also offers a wide range of functionalities. We can work with the vertical plane and with the horizontal plane. We can tilt the plane in a hybrid manner, meaning both in a digital and manual manner, in both one direction and two directions. Additionally, we can also use the scan function and can change the head rotation speed with the available parameter of 800 RPM, which can be used to cooperate with machine control systems. The device is equipped with a number of smart solutions supporting work on the construction site, the auto alignment function being one of them. Such alignment works in the horizontal plane, and therefore we can tilt the plane to take the terrain conditions into account. The laser level uses the radio communication to cooperate with the sensor, which sends back the signal to the laser level, and the latter can independently and automatically adjust the tilt of the plane to the sensor. Such auto-alignment also works in the vertical plane, and therefore we can set the automatic direction on the construction site. The device is equipped with a radio, and therefore this radio can also communicate with the remote control. We can also monitor the laser parameters at a larger distance, even up to 100 meters. It is also worth mentioning that the whole series is equipped with a unified control system. In other words, the whole series, both these models and lower number models presented in another episode, in other words NL720, are equipped with the same control module. That's why our users will have no problems with the control and use of the whole NL700 series. The device was designed for users who appreciate innovative solutions. Therefore, we equipped it with a digital sensor, which means that the difference in height is presented as numbers on the sensor display. The operation is quite easy. With the use of its clear menu, the parameters are presented both on the laser display and on the remote control display. It is powered by a battery. It is a lithium-ion system with the capacity of 5000 mAh. The whole NL740 series was designed for demanding tasks on the construction site. Therefore, the most important component of the laser level, in other words, its head, is secured with a metal housing, which provides appropriate protection against damage from impact and shock. An electronic compensator installed in the device effectively reduces vibrations on the construction site. The casing is dust and waterproof, IP65. It should be noted that the equipment is verified and, if need be, calibrated before its sale. It provides the Nivel System clients with 100% certainty as to their measurements. The equipment is delivered in a carrying case which protects it during its transport. The Nivel System lasers are covered with the maintenance support both during the guarantee period and after its expiry. We run our own authorized service center that provides access to spare parts. We have our own equipment with stock of machine tools, among them Optimus Prime 3D, a specialist collimator for calibration of construction lasers. All these features enable us to solve any maintenance issues quickly and effectively. If you are looking for a reliable, proven, and above all fail-safe equipment with high operation parameters, then the NL740 model is worth considering. For work carried out outdoors, with large distances, slopes, with the need for machine control, choose the model with the red beam. When work is performed indoors with required higher visibility of the beam, select the model with the green beam.